In this video, I'll show you how to insert logo in CapCut. It's going to be a full guide video. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your CapCut. Now let's say if you love to protect your works here online and you love to add images, like you love to add logo or images here to protect your work, what you need to do, click on the stickers option. So wait for it to open up. Right now, like, you're going to be able to see a whole lot of different stickers here you can be able to use. So what if you have a custom logo that is for your brand, you love to add to your videos or your works, what you need to do, you're going to be able to see this first option here. So I'm going to click on it and select my picture that is of how to do from my library, and I'm going to continue from there so I can be able to see what I mean. So right now you can see this is my logo. This is how to do logo. So I can come on here and adjust it. It can be this size. I can place it at the top. I can place it anywhere I want here. So once I'm done, I can be able to just come on here and adjust it. So you can see this basically you can be able to insert your own logo. So you can do this as well from your own end. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you on the very next video.